Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope everybody's doing well from wherever you're watching. And now that we're in November and we are fast approaching the Thanksgiving holiday and spending time with family and friends, and everybody will be cooking those huge meals and everything, I thought we would do something fun to share with everybody. And what I found was this cool recipe. It's a Thanksgiving sangria cocktail, and that just intrigued my interest a lot. It just sounds very fun and festive. And yeah, so going through the recipe, it's really easy to make, simple ingredients, and it does serve quite a few people. I would say it would serve between 6 and 8 people, depending on the size of the glasses that you're using, but you could easily, adjust the ingredients to whatever size you need. But what you're gonna need for this recipe is a bottle of white wine, and I just got a bottle of Pino Grigio, some ginger beer. You're gonna need apple cider and some maple syrup. I got this really cool bottle I found. It was maple praline syrup, and that just sounded really fun and autumnal. Just something really good for the sangria. You're also gonna need some brandy. You're gonna need 2 blood oranges, 2 apples. I will be using honeycrisp. They're just really good sweet apple. You're also gonna need a pomegranate. And you're also gonna need something called pumpkin butter. I wasn't able to find that at my supermarket, so we're going to be doing a substitution. You could use pumpkin pie filling, but I'm going to be using pumpkin puree, and we're just going to be adding pumpkin pie spice to the puree, just to give it that flavor. And you're going to need cinnamon sticks, and also it does call for star anise seed pods. These are optional, you don't have to put them in, but I did get them just in case. All right, so let's put this cocktail together. So we're gonna take the bottle of white wine, and I'm mixing everything in a large glass pitcher. So the white wine goes in. And then you're gonna need 1 cup of the apple cider right here. And then we're gonna need 1/2 cup of brandy. And this is my 1/2 cup. I'll put the whole thing in. Then we're gonna need 1/2 cup of the pumpkin butter, and since I was not able to find that, I just took the puree and added 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice to it, mixed it up, and this is what it looks like. So we're just going to put 1/2 cup of that into the sangria. So that's 1/2 cup right there. And we will need 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So put that in. And we will need 2 tablespoons of the maple syrup. So add that in. We're going to need the 2 apples all sliced up. Add that into the mixture. And the blood oranges, I'm going to add those in. One cup of the pomegranate. Just FYI, if you can find it already seeded in your supermarket, I would suggest buying that, because it was kind of a pain, taking all the seeds out. But yeah, so you need 1 cup of that. Three cinnamon sticks. So that's everything that goes into the ingredient, or to the cocktail mixture. Then give it a nice stir. to kind of infuse everything. And we haven't put the ginger beer in yet. That goes in later. What you're going to do now is put this mixture into the fridge and let it chill for several hours. That way it gives the cocktail more time for all the fruits and stuff to infuse with the liquid, and yeah, give you that nice fruitier taste to it, and everything will be blended together nicely. So we're going to put that in the fridge right now and come back in a few hours and finish making the rest of the cocktail. All right, so we've let the cocktail chill for several hours, and what you're gonna do is serve it in a glass with ice, and you're gonna take the ginger beer, well, actually you take the cocktail mix, pour some in, let's say about half a glass, and then add in the ginger beer. And I just have a dried blood orange. And that just garnishes the cocktail, and you just serve it that way. And so let's take a taste and see how this turned out. I like this. I want to make this for Thanksgiving. So this was really good. Yeah, so I'm going to be posting the recipe to the cocktail in the link below. So if anybody wants to make it, please by all means make this. And if you do, please shoot me a comment. Let me know how yours turned out and how you liked it. And also, if you do like the video, please do remember to give me a thumbs up, and also remember to like and subscribe. It really does help me a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Bye.